Got Holberg Secure Sling and Strap. Just want to make a quick video here. Question that sometimes I'm asked, and really the question that everybody has on their mind is how do you get new clients, new cases? And one method that I like to use is actually called driving for dollars. They do this a lot in real estate as well. And basically what driving for dollars means is if you find an area, an industrial area, then typically there's going to be multiple cases in there for you and your products. You can see right here we've got a couple of things. In fact, we're going to go ahead and stop at this one. This what's it called again? It's called Professional Fleet Services. Since Secure Sling and Strap, we do tie downs, cargo control. We got the Slider 360. Fleet Services sounds right up our alley. So let's go ahead and get out at this stop here. This is an unplanned stop. I was just driving for dollars and happened to find these guys as I was doing that. See some trusses and stuff, and we'll go in there, see who we need to talk to. We'll be back shortly.